Lesson 2. Fundamentals of Machine Learning and Deep Learning.
At the end of this lesson, you will be able to discuss machine learning and its relationship with AI, describe the relationship between machine learning and statistical analysis, explain the process of machine learning, list and compare the types of machine learning, analyze different algorithms of machine learning, and explore the meaning of deep learning and artificial neural networks.
Meaning of machine learning.
Machine learning can be defined as an approach to achieve artificial intelligence through systems or software models that can learn from experience to find patterns in a set of data. Machine learning, or ML, is an application of artificial intelligence. It provides machines with the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed for it. It involves teaching a computer to recognize data patterns and create rules rather than traditional programming. The process of learning begins with observations or data, such as direct experience or instructions to look for data patterns. Let's take a look at a timeline of the evolution of artificial intelligence. AI gained popularity in the 1950s, while machine learning evolved around the 1980s. And it was until 2010 that deep learning emerged. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is in turn a subset of artificial intelligence. To look at a real-time example, we don't need to go far.